Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shauna Patterson and today we are doing so many house projects. You can see our beautiful shiplap wall is turning out fantastic and it makes everything so light and bright and so exciting. But as you can see, my kitchen is a disaster. We have so many projects going on. It's a little wild. We have tiling that we're doing right here. My wonderful fiance is taking care of most of that. I'm helping him a little bit, but I'm doing most of the painting. We basically gave ourselves a deadline to get some of the projects done, mainly the ones in the kitchen, to have it all done by Christmas. Because I feel like if you don't give yourself a deadline, things just drag on and on perpetually and you never actually want to do them. Like right now we're supposed to be cooking Christmas dinner and we don't have an exhaust hood, so that's an issue. We were waiting for our tiling to get done, but that was delayed because we were waiting for our countertops to get switched out. And yeah, we're also in the process of painting the kitchen. We want to end up painting our whole house, but right now we're just tackling things room by room. So I'm painting the kitchen a nice bright white. It's Chantilly lace from Benjamin Moore. It was originally alabaster by Sherwin-Williams. That's what the builder had put on our walls. That was the whitest white that they offered, so that's the one that we went with. But we knew that we wanted something a little more bright white. The alabaster color is more of a yellowy off-white. We wanted to change that up, and I was already doing the shiplap wall and it's just easier to paint before you tile, so everything just exploded in one go. So needless to say, I'm truly exhausted, and coffee is honestly one of the things that is getting me through the day. Usually make it in the afternoon for a little pick-me-up sometimes. And I've actually been adding this Organica Superbrew Coffee Creamer into my coffee on the daily. It's really neat because it's all natural. It's keto-friendly, gluten-friendly, non-GMO, all that good stuff. They even have a vegan option available, which is great if that's how you row your boat. I usually make like a frappuccino or a cup of coffee depending on how I'm feeling that day, or maybe I'll put it on ice and make like a little iced coffee, put a little caramel sauce in there. It has a bunch of extra nutrients and healthy fats that you can add into your coffee, which help your digestive system and make you feel fuller longer. Because I've been eating so terribly lately. Honestly, my go-to food is Mr. Noodles and Kraft Dinner. So I figured adding this to my coffee, I'm like, maybe it offsets it, you know, healthy fats, terrible fats. So honestly, I could just use any help I could get. I'm just so exhausted these days. I'm working a full day and I'm just spending evenings doing all these house projects, and I mean, not complaining at all. This is what we signed up for. This is what we wanted to do. I am totally a DIY gal, love doing things myself, but I mean, I'm tired. So I find myself just trying to grab the quickest meal possible. You know, it's really bad when you find yourself Googling, how bad is Kraft Dinner actually for you? Turns out it's like not that bad that you'd expect it to be terrible, but it just doesn't have a lot of nutrients. So adding this Organica Superbrew Creamer to my coffee is a definite plus. It has prebiotic fibers in it and it actually has 0 carbs. I mean, maybe that offsets the terrible food I've been eating and makes my stomach a little bit happier. So I'm gonna go finish my cup of coffee and then I'm going to show you guys the progress. Here's the progress on the ensuite bathroom. We got the wrong paint color at first. It was a bit too warm, so we got this one. It's a deluxe color. It's called Elemental. It's a nice cool gray, and I think it matches the gray in the tiles a lot better. We've been just working away, getting all that painted. We're gonna switch out those 2 light fixtures, put up some gold mirrors here and here. We just have these little like temporary blinds from blackout blinds from Walmart. And you can also get them at Home Depot. We also have them in the bedroom as well. Oh, I forgot to take that tape off of there. Feel that guy? Ah, that's not satisfying at all. Tape monster, oh my goodness. Ordered window coverings for this Juliet balcony door and that window over there, so those are coming. They should probably be here maybe in a week and a half. I ordered them last weekend, so we just picked up these temporary ones just so we could have some privacy in the bedroom and we weren't waken up by the blaring light coming into our bedroom window. I'm just gonna finish doing the last coat of the trim work up there. Just needs a second coat, and then some little touch-ups. We'll get some ceiling paint and touch up some of those areas. Not the neatest, but yeah. Let's come on. Picking up our stuff from IKEA. Jake's working hard. There's a big rainstorm coming, so trying to get it strapped down. Jake's mom came over and gave us a little housewarming present. We got a bunch of different morning wear just for cooking. Mashed potatoes and green beans and all that kind of stuff you would need when you're hosting. So I'm just cleaning all that up now. We have these beautiful flowers from our friends. Good morning, everyone. I just hung up my Christmas garland last night. It's looking so cute. I picked up this frosted garland from Lowe's Canada. I think it looked really nice. I still have to go downstairs and plug this one in. My mom came over and helped me hang it up. I want to get a big 9-foot flocked Christmas tree and put it in front of this window here. I think that looks so nice. And we got little Buggy over here having a nice morning nap. He's got his little Christmas collar on. You're looking so Rico, my dude. Oh my goodness. Love the way it looks. It looks so nice. And I think I'm gonna get one more to go up this branch. My dad's gonna pick it up from the home hardware store today. Excuse the messy kitchen. It is just real life. We got this package from Amazon. It's like a frosted vinyl, sticky vinyl that we're gonna put on the front windows to add a little bit of privacy. Oh, and we got our fridge delivery finally. This was delayed about a few weeks, almost a month actually, it was delayed. So we're waiting for the countertop still to come in. It keeps getting delayed from customs, and that is sort of the catalyst of what we're waiting for to install the backsplash. So today I'm gonna install the vinyl on the windows for the front door, and then I'm gonna try and paint this room. Right now we just have one coat on it. It was such a headache because we got the paint match with a Benjamin Moore color, and we took it to Deluxe Paint to use their type of paint because we like their diamond quality paint. It's just easier to maintain the walls and you don't see patch marks, and if there's like dirt you can just like wipe it off with a sponge. So we like their paint quality, but I like Benjamin Moore colors, so I took the colors there to get paint matched. It did not turn out how I was wanting it whatsoever. I don't know what was going on with their paint matching system, but it was not the color that I had chosen whatsoever. So this was supposed to be like Stonington Gray by Benjamin Moore. I mean, it kind of looks like it, but not quite. Like something is off about their paint matching service at Deluxe, and it didn't quite get the color match that I wanted. We went back and I still needed another can of paint after I did the first coat. You can see it's sort of like patchy. We just done a single coat. I was like, whatever. I'm just gonna choose a Deluxe paint finish, like a paint color chip from their wall so that I know that they can make the color properly. So then we chose another darker gray, pretty similar, like you can see the two differences there. It is a little bit darker though. So now I have to go back and repaint it all. From a distance, it kind of looks the same. It is a little bit darker, but it is what it is. I still like the color. It's a really long time to paint everything, and it's just so much work. So that is what the doors look like now. You can see the difference between the clear panels up top and then the frosted ones. There's still a lot of bubbles and stuff in it, but you can kind of see like a little bit better of the texture here. I'm like trying to get all these bubbles out, but oh man, I don't know. We did use lots of Windex to wet it first so that it would go on fine. And like there's big areas where it's like kind of bubbly, so hopefully that just like dissipates and we'll just kind of work it out. So here's a look of it outside. These are the cups that I picked up from Amazon. They came in a big package and we're installing them in the master coffee creamer. It's a little bit tiny for the space. We have a lot of room. This is our old one that we had in our apartment when the ceilings were really low. This is only a 6.5-foot tree. We wanted to get a 9-foot tree, but I haven't found a nice 9-foot flock tree on sale quite yet. So I was like, what the heck, I'll just put up this one. And then whenever we find the 9-foot one on sale, I will change it up to that one. But it's definitely quite small for the space, but still adds a little bit of Christmas spirit, you know?